It's fall, the most wonderful time of the year. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, this is Lady, and in today's video we are going to be getting in the fall spirit. I live in a real life Gilmore Girls town in Vermont. I would argue that Vermont is like the capital of fall in the world, potentially. So this truly is the coziest corner of the internet, and you're gonna want to stick around. In this video we'll be going to cozy bookstores, doing some fall shopping, we'll do some baking, I go on a day trip to a really cute fall destination, I'll show you my fall essentials, and of course we'll do some cozy crafting. Let's go see where the fall wind blows us. Oh hey, I gotta pack my bag. I'll show you my like fall essentials that I am always putting in my bag. First up, this is the bag that I take to school with me. Since Lady's coming with me today, she likes to sit in this bag when we go out. I have this super cute little like pouch in here. I have my Kindle in here. I want to do a little bit of my fall reading. This I'm gonna pack today. I put a couple treats in it for Lady, so we're definitely packing this today. A fall must-have in my bag is my fall lip colors. My like go-to lip combo that I've been doing recently is this Glossier lip liner in the shade Buff, then this Rhode lip gloss, and when I'm feeling extra fun and whimsy, this sparkly lip gloss from REM Beauty. Makes me feel like a fairy every time I wear it, and I love this combo. This we're definitely packing today. Okay, we're putting this perfume on, and I'm putting this in my bag. This is the Replica by the Fireplace perfume. Literally is fall in a bottle. Packing my wallet, which is so cute. This little Jellycat charm that literally looks like Lady. Okay, one of my essentials and something I'm packing in today's bag is the super exciting Insta360 Go Ultra camera. Thank you so much Insta360 for sponsoring this video. I have never seen a camera like this before, and I am completely obsessed. It pops right out of this. Look how cute it is. It is literally pocket size, and I love being able to spontaneously throw it into my bag for on-the-go shots that I want to capture for vlogs. It is super discreet, so I love it because I'm able to feel way more confident filming in public. It is the perfect camera for shy vlogging girlies. Let me show you its features because these literally blew my mind. It's magnetic, so you can mount it anywhere to get really cool creative angles. For non-magnetic surfaces, you can pair it with these sticky tabs to mount it, which is so cool. I love how easy it is to get interesting, unique, and creative angles, and it's perfect for filming POV angles. I can also wear it on this really cool necklace for perfect hands-free POV shots. It has 4K resolution and it performs super well in low light. It also has long battery life and it's waterproof. Also, you can insert an SD card into the camera for extended filming time, which I love so much for my vlogs. I can use it as is like this, and I can also put it in this little case for it, which has a monitor and everything. And if it's not in this, I can connect it to the app and see what I'm filming on my phone, which is really cool. I'm literally so in love with this camera and super excited to be adding it to my vlogging routine. This is going in my bag every day to inspire me to vlog more because it seriously makes vlogging just so much easier. So get your Go Ultra with my code at the link in my bio. Go Ultra is on sale for Black Friday, and the first 10 orders can get a free gift with the link in my bio. The Black Friday sale goes live November 20th. Now let's go do some fall shopping. Here's what I have on my fall bucket list so far. I want to read outside under the pretty leaves. I want to go apple picking, go to the pumpkin patch and carve a pumpkin, have a fall movie night, do a fall craft, go to the cider mill, go to a cozy bookstore on a rainy day, go antiquing, specifically like for fall decor, do a dirt road foliage walk. Okay, and those are the things on my fall bucket list. I feel like it's very small, very achievable, and now we have them written down so that we can make sure they happen. Okay, we are going to the bookstore to find my fall read. Beauty little bookstore outfit on. Let's go. Okay, so we just got to Barnes & Noble. Usually I would try to go to like a small bookstore. I feel like it's just more whimsy in the fall going to small cute bookstores in your area, but Barnes & Nobles allows dogs, so I'm here. Your fall media roundup is so important. You need a fall TV show that you love. I think you need a fall movie bucket list, and you need a fall read. So we're here today. I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking for yet. Secret History is my favorite fall book of all time. It's also just my favorite book of all time, and I've had a really hard time finding anything that tops that. So let me know in the comments if you have any good like dark academia mystery books. I think I'm gonna try like a romance, which I never read, but I'm curious to test it out to see how I like it. And I keep seeing these like really cute fall books on my feed everywhere by someone named Lori Gilmore. It's so close to Lorelai Gilmore. Sometimes people have names and I'm like, is that your real name or did you change your name to be that? Because it's so uncanny. Enjoy the cozy bookstore atmosphere and find our fall read. Let's go. A super cozy rainy day. Lady is over here in her little bathrobe and I'm in the mood for some cozy fall baking. I love anything apple in the fall, and I just got a big bundle of apples. I want to make some apple crisp because it's so easy, it's so simple, it's so good. So let's go make some apple crisp. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm not really somebody who enjoys baking because for some reason it was very tedious for my brain to follow exact measurements. I'm definitely more of a cook than a baker, but I love the idea of baking and I think this recipe is perfect for that. I just cut up apples, put them in my dish, then add spices and sugar. Next, I mixed up a crumble topping with oats, flour, spices, sugar, and butter. I should have added more butter. I added about half the amount I should have, but it's a very forgiving recipe and it still came out super yummy, and it is literally the perfect fall treat. Okay, so there's this place in Vermont called Woodstock, which is basically like a real life Stars Hollow town. I've been going since I was a kid and it is literally such a special place. So this year for my birthday, I wanted to go and spend the day there with my family. It was just the most lovely day. We walked all around the town. Lady and her sister Tootsie literally loved saying hi to everybody. There were the prettiest fall decorations literally everywhere you turned. There's a covered bridge. It's just so quaint and adorable. This bookshop is literally the most magical bookshop that feels like it's right out of a storybook. We finished the day at the Scoop where we got apple cider floats instead of root beer floats, which was apple cider with maple creamy as the ice cream and then a apple cider donut to top it all off. It was absolutely insane. It was so fun playing tourist in our own state for the day. It was the best birthday and the most perfect fall day that I can cross so many things off of my fall bucket list with. Welcome to a cozy evening with me and Lady. It has been a super rainy, cozy day. Lady came to work with me today, so she has also had a really big day. And I think we're just ready for some rest and relaxation. I'm so right, Lady. I'm gonna do like a really cozy fall scented shower, and then I kind of want to do a little craft, maybe watch a fall movie. I'm gonna show you my shower routine right now because it has been optimal in romanticizing fall. I love smelling like a bakery in the colder months, so I use these Dove vanilla and shea scented soaps, and then I use this Dove brown sugar scrub, which makes my skin so soft and glowy and smells incredible. Outside of the shower, I've been using this Lush Sticky Dates lotion, which I need to repurchase a bigger size of because it literally smells like edible pastry. In addition to Sticky Dates, the lotion, after I get out of the shower, I picked up Leah Kitab's perfume, which is called Double Dates, which smells really similar to Sticky Dates because it's kind of what she was inspired by. And personally, I love putting a little bit of perfume on before bed. I feel like this is a pretty subtle one. I feel like it's very whimsy and it just makes going to bed even more of an occasion. Another little whimsy thing I've been doing is I've been keeping all of my like favorite lip and a couple like perfume products in this little vintage teacup. Okay, and then I got this MEJ Aura hair mist in the scent Toasted Sugar. And I just spray literally just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way of this in my hair, and then I'm just smelling it on my pillow. It smells so good. It smells like brown sugar, so it's just like the perfect fall scent. We all know that I love to sew, but it's kind of like an inconvenient hobby because I really need to have like dedicated time to like sit down and sit at my sewing machine. I was thinking I really want another cozy fall hobby that I can do kind of a little bit more mindlessly, like if I'm watching TV or something. And I found these at the thrift store. This is needlepoint. So here's to my new hobby of needlepoint. I might document this journey a little bit more on like TikTok or something. Keep up there. But these are two like needlepoint kits. They're both so cute. I think I'm gonna start with this one because it looks a little bit easier. I feel like because I kind of know how to hand sew, this might not be too hard, but I might be eating my words, so who knows. But here's to trying new hobbies. We're gonna try this out tonight. And I did kind of eat my words. I got all set up with a cozy movie and was ready to start this project. I read through all of the directions and then realized that this would be a lot easier with a hand-painted canvas as a beginner, which these were not, but it's okay because these just came in the mail for me. I can't wait to try them out soon. I read through some of the directions tonight and feel like I got the ball rolling. Spent the night drinking my tea, watching Hocus Pocus with Lady, and doing a little online shopping for cute needlepoint painted canvases. Okay, I'm probably gonna just hang out here, finish this movie. I hope that you all really enjoyed this fall vlog. I had so much fun filming it over the past couple weeks, honestly. I love fall, I love romanticizing it, and I hope that this was a cozy, nice watch for you. Comment down below what cozy fall crafts you're gonna be trying, what things you do to try to get cozy in the burr months. Definitely, oh, hello, lady. Definitely check out Insta360. I have loved the shots that I was able to get in this video. You can see it's above me right now, which I just think is so cool. It's gonna be something that I'm using in future videos. I think it's gonna inspire me to vlog more, so get ready for that. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.